Welcome to our installation video where we'll showcase the setup process for a robust 5 kW backup system. First, we begin by loading the essential components from our office. We exclusively use British brand Renergy Power batteries and Serenum hybrid inverters, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability for our clients. Now that we've arrived at the site, let's offload and get started with the installation process. Why British brand Renergy batteries? British brand, manufactured to meet British standards, they are the best sellers in the market, known for their premium quality. Deep cycle technology, our batteries are capable of discharging electricity at a slower rate, ensuring a stable and continuous power supply over a more extended period. Maintenance-free, they are perfectly sealed to prevent leakage and therefore do not require frequent checking and topping up. Over 1,200 life cycles, it provides a longer lifespan compared to the majority of batteries in the market, which typically have 700 to 800 cycles. 62.5 kilograms weight, this indicates a significant lead content, which guarantees prolonged performance. Renergy batteries are heavier than other batteries in the market, some weighing as low as 50 kilograms, providing a true capacity of less than 200 Ah and hence are low-priced. 1-year warranty guarantee, this sets Renergy apart in the market and demonstrates our commitment to standing behind the quality and durability of our products, providing customers with added peace of mind and confidence in their purchase. Best for solar power and backup applications. The battery rack plays a vital role in safely housing the batteries and optimizing space. Our technicians carefully place each battery into the rack, ensuring proper alignment and secure positioning. Next up, we mount the inverter, a crucial component that converts the DC power from the batteries into AC power for household use. To maintain a clean and organized setup, trunking is installed to neatly conceal and protect the wiring, providing a professional finish to the installation. With the batteries securely in place and the inverter mounted, it's time to connect the batteries to the inverter, establishing the essential link for power distribution. Safety is paramount, so our technicians install the necessary protective devices to safeguard the system from any potential hazards. And with the final touches completed, we now have a fully operational backup system, ready to provide reliable power whenever it's needed most. Thank you for joining us on this installation journey. Get in touch with us for all your solar needs, whether it's backup systems or full-scale solar installations, we have you covered.